Hi guys, after installing and playing around with all these settings of NVIDIA, it's just time to play, right? Skip the wizard. Simulator 2. The screen is beautiful in reference to coloring. It's very nice indeed. Let's see how it plays. Do we have the feeling that it's any better than on Intel, for example? I've played the same game on the Intel based. Oh yeah, I had another job. Resume delivery. Pff, whatever. Had something still in my in my machine, I would say. My truck. Truck is a good word. Yeah. It's of course not a race machine. It's a truck. I wonder if we can just go out of here. Options, graphics. I don't want to lower, I want to go all the way. Yeah, yes, keep the settings. Fill screen, default refresh. This is something I can do. And advanced settings. All high, right? Drive. Let's see if the NVIDIA is good or not. So we've been playing around with what have we been doing with this machine. This is an NVIDIA dash beta driver coming from the AWAR. You have to build it yourself. Yay, NVIDIA minus beta. And then NVIDIA settings beta as well. Whoa, a car. And then we changed something in the grub. We've added DRM settings there. And we've added in the etc make init cpio.conf. We added 3-4 lines about NVIDIA code. And now we're gaming. And is the question always, is this an improvement? How many the speed? I think I'm I was looking at my speed here, 90. I think I'm restricted, right? Like in real life, I can't go any faster as 90. Should I stay on the? Oh, okay. Woo! No, let's go in here. You don't do this in real life, right? But we can do now. Yes. Eppa. No idea. Where am I going to? Dresden. Ich fahre zu Dresden, jawohl. Ich weiß ja nicht, was drin sitzt. Shouldn't I pull over my how do you say that? The lights? Oops. Police? I don't know if it's faster. I'll probably gonna reinstall anyway. I will compare, right? We'll compare the videos. This is the full screen, the most, the resolutions at the max. I should go off. No, yes, no, no, keep going. Oh yes. There is no choice. I can't drive wrong. I need to go there. That is very handy for me. I never know where to go. Always stuck in games. Frustrating. There is no sound. This is just my test PC and the sound's coming from the webcam, but I don't have a box or anything, any speaker or anything like that. So I have to make my own sounds, which is, well, better. Alright. Let's compare later on with another yes, and quickly end with some technical information. So, which VGA do I have? I have the NVIDIA GTX 970, and that's it. No Intel around, just one thing in there. And for the rest, I have sudo pacman -r. I'm playing with the NVIDIA beta version, and and I have all these Linux kernels installed, and they all work as well. We went through Sublime etc make at some point in time, you know, all the critical files. Whoops, NVIDIA. So here the modules, we've added these lines, and in grub, the etc default grub, we've added this line, and this, with this setup, I'm now playing. All right, cheers.